Utah families are no strangers to the Rice Krispie treat. We thought we would show you a Rice Krispie treat that goes to a whole new level. A New York food crafter has turned the Rice Krispie into a treat, yes, but also burgers, fries, even bacon and eggs. Known on Instagram as Mr. Crisp, Jessica Siskin has now published a book on how to color Rice Krispies and mold them into amazing shapes. And I say this is a complete throwdown challenge for Utahns because we know that we can do Rice Krispies here in Utah. We can do a lot of things. And we got the book. So we asked Mandy here to give it a try. And so what do you think? Did you like what you saw or you read?
Goodness. 5 stars for fun. Like, it was so much fun. I didn't expect it to be as super simple as it was and inspiring. Like, I thought, oh, Rice Krispies, I'm usually just cram them into the thing and cut them into squares, call it good. But it was so much fun. I thought of all the possibilities we could do with this.
Is it really that different from a regular Rice Krispie recipe?
There are some tricks that she has in here to make it super easy. So something that was really cool about this is when I was making it, I thought I'm gonna burn my hands off. Like, touching Rice Krispies are usually super warm. I was a little scared, but there's some tricks that she gave us in the book to show us how to kind of guide us along that way to get this here.
Well, let's do it.
There's only 3 ingredients. You have butter, you have marshmallows, and you have your Rice Krispies. So the trick is,
well, that sounds easy.
Slowly melt the butter. I usually turn them on high, make sure the bubbles going, and no, they want you to have no bubbles. Just slowly melt the butter, add in your marshmallows, and add in your Rice Krispies when your marshmallows are only halfway melted. I thought you have to melt the whole thing, but when they're just barely starting to combine, then toss this in. And then also what I learned is that, so she says to spray some spray on your hands, some Pam and stuff like that.
I usually just rub butter all over.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I learned that you just kind of have to do some lotion. So I'm gonna remove my ring.
So that's Crisco.
This is just Crisco, and I know people are like, ugh, but I mean, your kids are gonna love it, let's be honest. They love the Crisco. So this makes it so it doesn't stick to your hands. So what I'm gonna do is grab a big lump right here.
Okay.
And so we already have the other part of our gumball machine right here.
Am I doing this too? I'm doing
yes,
this too.
Please.
Okay.
Grab some Crisco. And you press it in. It's not warm at all, or it's not hot at all, which I was mostly terrified about. And
so we're gonna grab some.
It's kind of therapeutic, actually. So I just slowly press it in and mesh it with your hands.
Mine's a little small.
Oh, you're doing good. Here's some more. I'll load you up.
Throw it in
there. You go. And so what you'll do is just make that gumball shape. And what I loved about this is that it was so easy that it inspired me to even look further into her really cute book.
So what else did you come up with?
So she has this, okay, you're gonna die. It's like Starry Night. You know that beautiful Van Gogh painting?
At Rice Krispies?
Yeah, isn't that crazy? So what she did is she has it all in blue, and then she smeared in the colors to make it, and she made it so easy.
And
it doesn't look like it's hard.
Donuts.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so the donuts I made, which are on my table right now, unfortunately, they are so cute. So what I did is I pressed my donuts into my donut pan. So these Rice Krispie treats, I pressed them into my donut pan with the Crisco on there, and they popped right out. I did the cute little pink donuts, and then I also did my favorite, which is of course chocolate and peanut butter.
Okay.
And they smelled and tasted amazing.
And then we're just gonna finish off our gumballs. We're just gonna throw all these on.
So we can
imagine your kids coming home and they're gonna find this and think that this is so amazing.
They like super mom stuff.
Okay, so you are amazing, and you are super crafty with Lucky Charms as well. Okay, so if people want more information on your crafty cookiness, cookingness, if that's even a word.
It works. I like it.
Okay,
let's do that. They're gonna go to bakingwithblondie.blogspot.com or follow me on Instagram.
Okay, thank you so much. Look at these amazing creations.
I love it.
This is fun.